Situated just outside of the Dalles in the rolling hills of the Columbia Valley AVA lies Dream Big Vista Vineyard, a 160-acre property ready for you to fulfill your dreams. With astounding views, beautiful landscapes, and one of Oregon's most sought-after upcoming wine regions, this is a rare offering you don't want to miss.
All the developments for a premier vineyard are included here, including 151 acres of water rights delivered via groundwater well. Additional developments include deer fencing, road infrastructure, three-phase power, and a domestic well.
Not to mention top-of-the-world views for a potential home site, tasting room, winery, or whatever your dreams encompass. Of the 75 acres of prime South Slope, 20 acres of vineyard were planted in 2006 and in production with drip lines and trellis. The remaining 55 acres of this prime South Slope are ready for planting and ideal for an array of red wine grapes such as Sangiovese, full-bodied Pinot Noir, Syrah, Tempranillo, and Bordeaux blend varieties. With approximately 75 acres of North Slope, 15 of these acres were planted in 2007 with drip lines and are ready to prune and train to wire, with the remaining 60 acres of North Slope ready for additional wine grape planting. This North Slope is excellent for high-quality aromatic whites such as Pinot Gris, Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc, Semillon, and Rhone whites. In addition, 12 acres are planted in blueberries with drip lines in place. All vineyards and blueberries have been farmed organically for the last 4 years. Located just 30 minutes from Hood River, and with all of the hard work done and the infrastructure already in place, this is the perfect site for your dream home, your vineyard, your tasting room. The possibilities are endless.
What are you waiting for?